Step into the exhilarating realm of vintage automobiles where a rare breed of artisans don't merely repair vehicles, they resurrect legends. Welcome on board our thrilling journey, legendary classic car restorations. Meet the team of maestros fueled by passion and obsessed with perfection. They're the magicians who breathe new life into Detroit iron, American muscle, and other timeless classics. Working on these relics is not just about fixing metal and bolts, it's about preserving significant fragments of history, a revered legacy. Each chip and scratch tells a story, and we're here to uphold that story by restoring these mighty machines to their former glory. There's something special about the raw power and timeless design of these classics. Restoring them is like preserving a piece of automobile culture. The attention to detail is what sets these restorations apart. It's not just about making them look good, it's about capturing the essence of what made these cars iconic. Each restoration is a labor of love, taking months of painstaking work to achieve perfection. But for these craftsmen, the satisfaction comes from seeing these legends roar back to life. From the workshop to the open road, the passion for these cars runs deep. Because to those who understand, these aren't just cars, they're works of art, timeless symbols of power and freedom. Join us next time as we continue to unleash the power of legendary classic car restorations. Rev up your support for CarSwagger. Subscribe to stay in the fast lane for the latest restored classic car reviews, thrilling restoration adventures, and expert insights. Hit that like button if you're a true classic car enthusiast. Drop a comment with your favorite classic car model or what restoration you'd love to see next. Don't forget to share the horsepower. Spread the word by sharing this video with your fellow vintage car lovers. Join the CarSwagger community and let's drive into the past together.